If you've ever spent an hour just trying to figure out which console rumor is actually news and which one is just noise, you know the frustration. You're jumping between threads, checking timestamps, and by the time you actually have a clear picture, the story has already moved on. I'm tired of doing that research manually. So I built a tool that does it for me. This is the Console Drama Timeline Tracker. It takes all that chaos, the price debates, the firmware patches, the exclusivity rumors, and it organizes it into a single clean timeline. Instead of digging through 20 different sites, I just open this, hit refresh, and I've got my hooks ready to go. All right. So right here, I'm going to run through it live with something someone would actually paste. I'm going to enter the platform. Let's go with PlayStation, set the time window to this week, and hit the refresh feeds button. Give it a second. And right here, that is your output. You get the real headlines. Look at these: PS5 firmware patch, sparks performance debate, Game Pass price talk, reignites console war threads, Switch online outage timeline for creators, exclusive delay rumor, what we actually know. That is exactly the kind of stuff that makes for a solid video hook. You can hit copy selected hook to grab one or use the export embed widget HTML button. If you want to drop a live tracker onto your own site, it's fast, it's clean, and it keeps your workspace focused. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor, so the code is actually readable and easy to tweak. You can grab the free Python desktop tool from CaseyBuildsIt.com under the Files or Free Tools section. You also get the build prompt, so you can open it in Cursor or any AI you use and change it if you want to add new feeds or tweak the timeline view. Go ahead and grab it, test it out, and let me know what you think.